Guys, we're doing a teaser reaction to B2B Beep
Beep,
Beep. Beep Beep. Wait, stop from the beginning.
Wait, stop. I just stop.
Stop from the beginning.
Wait,
Okay.
I need to do. Oh, it's not good quality.
Sorry guys, I have to start again.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
Start again.
Yeah, because
No, I think. Wait, let me just do this
maybe
one.
they deleted it or something.
No, I don't think they did it. It's like,
Stop that.
I think. Is this. Oh, it's not. Oh, yeah, here it is.
Wait, start from the beginning.
Start from the beginning. Okay.
Sanjay, baby, come on.
He looks sleepy. I like super. Oh,
Where the
Oh
hell
my gosh,
is he?
Minhut.
wait. Are they in a catwalk or something?
Oh
Are you
This
serious?
is trying to look badass. It's good.
Badass is a swole ass car.
Oh my god, have you seen the leader?
no! I know.
Go on.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Oh my god.
Where's Ihun?
Minhut's the front one. He's all
It's
white.
the front one.
This one.
Yeah.
This
Yeah,
one.
Yeah, that's him.
I
Oh
don't
my
know.
gosh, Uncle looks so cool.
Wait,
Minhut! Look at
walking. Where's
Minhut.
Minhut?
What?
I think you said.
Yeah, Uncon's there.
That's
Minhut's
deep.
there.
Wait, when is it? 17.
Yeah.
Oh, that's on Monday. I told you about it, didn't I?
Yeah, Monday.
On Sunday.
Are you gonna watch it again?
Wait, who's this?
Minhut.
Minhut.
He looks different now.
Yeah.
Wait.
He's quite short,
Ikwan.
Unquan.
Unkwon.
Changsup.
Chansup.
Hyunsuk.
Yep.
Hyunsik?
The one that has a nice smile. This one, what's his name?
Hyunsik.
Yunsik, sorry. Yunsik. Minhut.
Minho.
That's Vanille.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then that's Sung Jae.
Wait, I swear Songjae's taller than Thingy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, that one at the top. Oh, Ihun, I like your old hairstyle.
I
Oh.
like that one too.
He looks so pale.
Yeah.
What? Oh,
Wait,
it's
is he the visual?
no.
No.
Then why is he in the
Who's the visual?
middle?
He's probably singing the most compared to songs.
Who's the rapper? Yeah.
Oh no, because you know how he made the Kiyomi?
Oh yeah, everyone's gonna be like.
Everyone's gonna be like, where's Ilhan?
Where's
Ilhan?
Why did they do
That's sad. They always like put like Penil like.
somewhere.
I just know the concept. Beep beep. They're in a car.
Are they trying to look badass with small ass cars?
It looks.
That's
so
the whole
funny.
like joke. Oh.
How
I
would
think
the
it's
song
The way
go?
they're so serious in
Beep,
those
beep,
cars.
oh, no, 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 no.
beep beep
Beep,
bang
beep,
bang.
bang, bang.
Oh.
Beep, beep.
Bang, bang.
Oh, you have to see Sunmi.
We're still
Oh,
recording. Should I
oh,
stop
yeah.
it?
Should we say goodbye?
Bye,
Okay.
guys.
So
Bye,
what
bye,
did
bye,
you think
bye,
of
Oh.
the-
I think it's gonna be funny. I think.
Yeah, I think it'll
Probably.
be comedy,
Weird.
like with.
Yeah.
I think it'll be like such a funny like MV.
What do you think?
You want to see it? Bye. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
Wait, I saw
Wait, what
that's
am I